Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Derived horizontal fragmentation. Horizontal fragmentation is a data distribution technique in distributed databases that involves dividing a relation, table, into smaller subsets, fragments, based on certain conditions. Derived horizontal fragmentation is a more advanced form, where fragments are created based on previously defined horizontal fragments or from new criteria that derive from existing data distributions. Key concepts. 1. Fragmentation, dividing a table into smaller pieces, fragments, to improve performance and manageability. 2. Horizontal fragmentation, a type of fragmentation that involves selecting certain rows from a table based on a condition. 3. Derived fragmentation, this refers to the creation of new fragments based on the existing fragments or specific criteria that derive from them. Benefits of derived horizontal fragmentation. Performance improvement, reduces the amount of data processed by queries. Load balancing, distributes data across different nodes to balance the load. Scalability, facilitates easier management of large data sets. Example scenario. Suppose we have a table called employees with the following schema. Step 1. Basic horizontal fragmentation. Let's first define a simple horizontal fragmentation where we want to fragment the employees table based on departments. Step 2. Derived horizontal fragmentation. Now, let's say we want to further divide the employees_sales fragment based on salary, creating two derived fragments, one for employees with a salary greater than $50,000 and another for those with a salary less than or equal to $50,000. Step 3. Managing derived fragments. You might want to manage these fragments in a way that allows you to query them easily. For example, you could create views for easier access. Querying the fragments. To query the derived fragments, you can simply use the views created. Conclusion. Derived horizontal fragmentation is a powerful technique that allows for efficient data management and retrieval in distributed databases. By carefully designing your fragmentation strategy based on your application's access patterns, you can significantly improve performance and maintainability. Considerations. Fragmentation strategy. Choose fragmentation criteria based on query patterns. Data updates. Consider how updates to the base table will affect derived fragments. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor performance to ensure fragmentation strategy remains effective. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of derived horizontal fragmentation, along with practical SQL code examples. Adapt these concepts to fit the specific needs of your applications and data sets.